Hey friends, what's going on? This is Groovy here for Yarcrypto.com, and I wanted to quickly jump on a live stream here, guys, to update you guys on my last video, and where we talk about BTC, Bitcoin, and the move that we can potentially see for the next few hours or for the next few days. Okay, so on my last video, I talked about, guys, this fib retracement here that I made from this swing low here all the way down at the 28K, at the 30K, all the way up to the swing high over here. Okay, and I highlighted for you guys this golden pocket here, the orange zone here on the bottom, where we could see a potential bounce on this pattern that we can see on this chart. Okay, this is the BTC 4 hour, by the way. And as you guys can see here, guys, We hit that 618 level, that golden pocket level to the dollar here. We hit exactly the support level there, and now it seems like we got a bounce on our hands, and we could potentially see some more upside for BTC all the way up to this upper resistance line here. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video as well, we, as you guys know, we got rejected by the 21 EMA on the daily time frame. So we just closed the daily 35 minutes ago, and uh, if you guys look, we have this 21 EMA actually going a little bit further down here. But yeah, since we bounced from this golden pocket level here, guys, I would expect us to potentially try and test the 21 EMA once again for the daily time frame. Because if we look at the daily here, uh, we we also bounced exactly on that support level on the daily as well. So we closed the daily with a bounce here. So I would say this is bullish, at least for the short to medium term. And we could see some more upside for BTC on this pattern here. Okay, so talking about the pattern itself, it's kind of tricky for us to determine what the actual uh, pattern is. Okay, but I would say uh, instead of a sort of falling wedge here, we could make the case for a descending triangle as well. So if you guys take a look here, we have the upper resistance pretty clear, and then we have this 618 golden pocket support that we have been respecting for a long, long time now, ever since the 27th of June. So you guys see that we have touches on this area here, and we also have touches here, and then we also have this cluster on the 4 hour here. Okay, so this is very relevant, and we bounce from it again. Um, so the technical target for this breakout, if we happen to uh, break out to the upside, assuming this is a descending triangle, it would be all the way up to the 38 500 level. And I talked about this on the last video as well, guys, because if we do break all the resistance that we have here on the 35K range, it's very possible that we go up even further and potentially even hit this target here. Okay. And the invalidation for this would be if we actually break to the downside, and a break to the downside of this would mean that we can potentially test the 28K level again, because you see that it's the same wick that we had a few days back, a few weeks back, actually. Okay, so this is the bearish target. If we do come back to this 618 here and eventually lose it, so keep an eye out for that, guys. And talking about Ethereum now, Ethereum has a very similar situation to BTC. And at the moment, you guys can see that we have this kind of range here for Ethereum. So we have the upper range resistance all the way up at the 2300s. And then we have our support range here on the 2K zone. All right. And the 2K zone has been very significant as well on the past. If you guys take a look here, we had touches in these areas and we had touches here as well. So I would say that similarly to BTC, uh, we are gonna most likely hold the support for now, and could potentially be seeing a move to the upside here for Ethereum from here. But that is true if BTC also moves to the upside after this bounce here. Okay, guys, which I think is likely um, for the next at least 12 to 16 hours, a move to the upside here. And then we're gonna have to see how it's gonna react if we do get up here on this price. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is basically what I wanted to update you guys on. Just to recap, we have this golden pocket level here that we bounced from so far, and we could see a move all the way up to the 21 daily EMA once again at the 34K range. Invalidation for this would be if we actually lose the golden pocket here on the 32,500 level and move to the downside after that. Okay, and same thing for Ethereum. Uh, we are holding the 2K level as support for now. Invalidation for this would be if we lose this level and start closing 4-hour candles below this. And if we follow BTC upwards, we could see us reaching 2150, 2170, this previous zone here, and potentially even higher after that. Okay, so yeah, guys, that was all that I had for you guys so far. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this. If we have a big move on BTC or Ethereum, I'm gonna update you guys on that as well. If you guys want to see any more content, guys, you can access yarcrypto.com. We also have our news website, which is yarcryptonews.com. So check that out. And we also have our Discord community where we talk all about crypto related stuff. We do live TA every day as well. So if you are interested in that, you can consider checking it out as well. If you want to talk about crypto, learn about crypto, you can feel free to check our Discord community. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out on the charts. And this has been Groovy for yarcrypto.com. And bye bye, guys.